How to fix Hotschedules login not working. 1. Ensure your internet connection is working properly. 2. Refresh the Hotschedules website. 3. Clear your DNS cache via command, IP protocol configuration /flushes. 4. Log in with your global profile or use the corporate login port. 5. Contact Hotschedules customer care. Case study 1, inactive or suspended account login issue. If you are getting a message saying your account is inactive when trying to log in, there are a few things you can do to try to resolve this issue. 1. Make sure you are using the correct username and password. 2. Check your email for a message from Hotschedules about your account being inactive. This message will contain instructions on how to reactivate your account. 3. Contact your manager or the Hotschedules support team for assistance. 4. Managers can change the status of the affected user account later. Here are some additional details about each of these steps. Asterisk, make sure you are using the correct username and password. When you first create an account with Hotschedules, you will be asked to create a username and password. Make sure you are using the correct username and password when you try to log in. If you are not sure what your username or password is, you can reset your password by clicking on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Asterisk, check your email for a message from Hotschedules about your account being inactive. If your account has been inactive for a certain period of time, Hotschedules may send you an email with instructions on how to reactivate your account. This email will contain a link that you can click on to reactivate your account. Asterisk, contact your manager or the Hotschedules support team for assistance. If you have tried the above steps and you are still having problems logging in, you can contact your manager or the Hotschedules support team for assistance. Your manager can help you reactivate your account, and the Hotschedules support team can help you troubleshoot any other problems you may be having. Source: HS, inactive or suspended account login issue.